Looking for the best Songmics storage cubes, set of 6 odorless foldable storage boxes, closet organizers for shelf, rainbow storage bins, color. Songmics storage cubes, set but not sure which one to choose. With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 10 best Songmics storage cubes, set of 6 odorless foldable storage boxes, closet organizers for shelf, rainbow storage bins, color. Songmics storage cubes, set based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 10. Number 10. ShellKingdom storage bins. Are you tired of cluttered closets and messy shelves? These storage cubes are perfect for organizing your household items, whether it's clothes, toys, or socks and underwear in your home or office, providing you with extra storage space. They're super versatile and can be used in any room, from the kids' room to the laundry area, and even sit on the floor, in the closet, or on a shelf. What really stands out is that they're foldable, so you can easily pack them away when they're not in use. They're also easy to clean with a dry rag or soft brush, and made of heavy-duty polypropylene material with extra cardboard support, making them sturdy and reliable. I'd highly recommend them for anyone looking to get their storage situation under control. Number 9. Songmics Cube Storage Organizer. If you're tired of cluttered spaces and constantly searching for lost items, this DIY cube organizer is here to save the day. With its modern design and plenty of clean, neat storage space, it's perfect for keeping your living room, entryway, bedroom, or office organized and clutter-free. The easy-to-assemble modular structure and included rubber mallet make it a breeze to set up, even if you're not super handy. Each cube holds up to 22 pounds of your belongings, and the waterproof plastic panels are a cinch to clean. You can store clothing, shoes, or bags, or even use it as a room divider or DIY playpen for your pet. It's a super stable structure that won't tip or fall over, so you can have peace of mind knowing your belongings are safe and secure. Overall, I'm loving the versatility and functionality of this product, and I think it's a must-have for anyone who wants to keep their space organized and clutter-free. Number 8. Songmics Eurob 826G01 Storage Cubes. We've all been there, drowning in a sea of clutter, scrambling to find that one thing we need, and wondering where it all went wrong. But what if you could tame the chaos with a simple, stylish solution? These storage cubes are a game-changer, offering a durable and stable place to stash your stuff, with a distinctive fabric print that adds a touch of class to any room. They're easy to set up and fold away, making them perfect for anyone who needs to organize their space without breaking a sweat. Whether you're a busy student, a working pro, or a homebody, these cubes are the ultimate solution for keeping your belongings tidy and accessible. And in our quick verdict, these storage cubes are a must-have for anyone looking to declutter and simplify their life. Number 7. Songmics Eurob 026B01 Storage Cubes. We all struggle with clutter and messy spaces, and this set of storage cubes is here to change that. Durable and stable, these 6 boxes can hold up to 11 pounds each, making them perfect for organizing clothes in your bedroom, books in your study, or sundries in your living room. The distinctive fabric print is both stylish and classy, blending seamlessly into your space. What really sets these cubes apart is their versatility. Use them as standalone storage units or fold them up to save space when not in use. I highly recommend these for anyone looking to declutter their home. Number 6. Songmics Eurob 026R01 Storage Cubes. We've all been there, cluttered rooms, messy closets, and a general sense of chaos at home. But what if you could keep your belongings organized and easily accessible? That's exactly what these durable, stable storage cubes do. With a rigid structure, they can hold up to 11 pounds each, and the exterior fabric print is not only distinctive but also classy, blending in with any space. Plus, they're foldable, making them perfect for saving space when not in use. And at 10.2-inch L x 10.2 W x 11H, they fit nicely into cube organizers with 11 or larger openings. Whether you're organizing clothes, books, or sundries, these versatile storage cubes are a quick and easy solution. Number 5. Songmics URFB 126G01 Storage Cubes. We've all been there, struggling to keep our living spaces organized, cluttered with clothes, books, and miscellaneous items. But what if you could experience long-lasting organization with a set of durable storage boxes that can hold up to 11 pounds of weight each, made with premium quality materials and built-in cardboard for added stability? Not only do these storage cubes offer a stylish, vintage charm that effortlessly complements any storage shelf, but they're also designed to fit standard cube shelves and feature convenient grommet handles for easy pulling and retrieving of items. And the best part? They're incredibly easy to set up and fold away, making them a perfect all-purpose fabric storage solution for anyone looking to keep their belongings neatly stored in the bedroom, study, or living room. Number 4. Songmics URFB 230X01 Storage Cubes. We've all been there, rummaging through cluttered rooms searching for a clean, flat space to store our stuff. These storage boxes are a game-changer, featuring odorless, moisture-resistant PP sheets that keep their shape, eliminating the problem of smelly, sagging cardboard boxes. They're also super versatile, ideal for organizing books, art supplies, and clothes in any room of the house, and they're designed to fit perfectly with IKEA cube storage cabinets or shelves. Plus, they're easy to set up and fold away when not in use, making them perfect for anyone who wants to keep their space organized and clutter-free. Number 3. Songmics URFB 233XA08 Storage Cubes. These odorless storage cubes are perfect for busy parents or young professionals who want to keep their living spaces organized and clutter-free, without sacrificing style. They're made with thick, moisture-resistant PP sheets that retain their shape, so you don't have to worry about smelly, sagging cardboard boxes. Plus, they're designed to fit seamlessly into any environment, whether you're using them for books in the study, art supplies in the living room, or clothes in the bedroom. What sets them apart is their unique, colorful design that adds a welcoming touch to any room. I've got to say, these storage cubes are a game-changer for anyone looking to upgrade their storage game. Number 2. Songmics URFB 233XA10 Storage Cubes. Are you tired of storing your belongings in flimsy, smelly cardboard boxes that sag under the weight of your stuff? These odorless storage boxes change the game, made with thick, moisture-resistant sheets that keep their shape and provide fresh storage. They're perfect for organizing books, art supplies, clothes, and accessories in any room, and can even fit into IKEA cube storage cabinets. Plus, they're easy to set up and fold away when not in use, making them a must-have for anyone looking to declutter and keep their space tidy. Number 1. Songmics URFB 226XA10 Storage Cubes. This product stands out with its unbeatable odorless design, ensuring that your storage space remains fresh and clean, no matter what you're storing inside. The 2 mm thick, moisture-resistant PP sheets are a game-changer, retaining their shape and functionality even when exposed to moisture. Perfect for homeowners who want a clutter-free living space, these colorful organizers are ideal for anyone looking to add a touch of personality to their home decor. With easy setup and folding away, they seamlessly blend into any environment, making them a quick and convenient solution for organizing books, art supplies, clothes, and more. I'm thoroughly impressed with this product's versatility and practicality. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, the links to grab these picks are right in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next review. See you in the next one.